How do I make a really flavorful turkey burger? Since turkey burgers don't have a lot of fat, you lose a lot of the flavor that you get with beef. Also, you have to make sure you cook them through 170 degrees, so they tend to dry out. What are your pro tips for cooking great turkey burgers? Preparation, seasoning, grilling techniques, high heat, tin foil?
We have been eating turkey burgers for years. The super secret is to not let them dry out while cooling. I take a pound of ground turkey, mixed 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 2 shakes garlic powder and 1/2 teaspoon of water. Then mix thoroughly by hand. After pattying them to 1/4 inch thick patties, I grill for about 5 to 6 minutes per side, turning a quarter turn at 2 to 3 minutes. After removing from grill, I wrap in foil and let sit for 5 to 10 minutes. Voila! I found this article, see link 1. Really interesting. It covers a chef's attempts to make a turkey burger taste good. The recommendation is to puree some eggplant with it, to improve the moisture level, and add soy sauce, Marmite and anchovies to make it taste good.